Well guys, so we already hit down to Frankfurt and our flight is a little bit delayed, around about 3 hours, so we're just hanging around here, having some lunch and all this stuff. Yeah, Claudia's doing some YouTube, I'm doing some work, and I hope our plane will arrive on point in 3 hours. But it's quite okay. So I will go around and have a look for some airplanes. So come on. Well guys, so we are actually on the way to the plane. Claudia of course knows where to go, because I never do. Sometimes I know. Yeah, we hope we will get in finally after 3 hours of waiting. And yeah, we just throw you guys into the plane because...
Ladies and gentlemen, let me introduce to you...
Okay, so we go and see and see you guys later.
Y'all please hold the applause to the end of the ceremony. Let's go! Look around us, there ain't no fences, just bridges to the ears of the listeners.
Woo! We finally arrived! Woohoo! And we got our car for our little road trip.
Yes, a beautiful car.
Toyota. Yeah guys, we are now awake since, I don't know, 20 hours or something like that.
Yeah, I think so, yeah.
We're super tired. Our plane was 3 hours delayed, but everything is okay, everything is fine. We got our car, everything worked.
Mm-hmm. The weather is
awesome, it's great, and we're just happy to be here.
Yeah.
And now we will drive to our Airbnb and then maybe, I don't know, go for a drink or something, and that's it for today.
And relax.
Yeah, but we pick up the camera later, and Claudia has to watch Google Maps now that we arrive at our Airbnb. Yeah. So see you guys later. When we arrived in our beautiful little Airbnb here in San Diego, our first home.
Yes.
On our world trip. So we give you a little room tour. This is the entrance. We have a beautiful pool out there. I don't know if we will use it, but we have one.
And we also have the sea.
So let's check this. We have a beautiful living room down here. Already messed with our stuff.
Yeah.
We have our bedroom. Way too much pillows.
Yeah.
And yeah, that's the way to go, I think. And the only downside of that room is we don't have a door to the toilet. So when you're going in here, walking backwards, no door, and there's the toilet. So whoever wakes up first wakes up the other one.
You have to be quiet.
Oh, silent pooping. So that's it for today, I think. And we will throw guys straight to the next day tomorrow, because now we will go pick up some T-Mobile cards for our phone that we have internet and Google Maps, the most important, and just go and buy some groceries and stuff. And yeah, that's it for today. We're super tired. We're awake now, as I told you the scene before, since now 21 hours, 22 hours. So I think go there, pick up some SIM cards, eat something, and then we will just chill and maybe some Netflix or something like that. So see you guys tomorrow. So good morning, friendly friendos.
Good morning.
We're super early awake today because jet lag, I think. So we thought we'd just go for a little morning exploration, even the weather isn't looking that super great.
It will be great.
Will be great. So we pick up our car and go to, how was the beach called?
La Jolla.
La Jolla. So let's go to La Jolla. Claudia's also pretty coping. It will smell, Bastian. It will smell. Let's have a look at smelling here.
You've got the world in a knot, just like my heart. Just keep your head up, baby girl. Who knows? We just might figure
Some of those sea lions are not the best friends. This one is hating on the other one for now 10 minutes, and now they're going to the water together. It's so much fun to be out here and just watching those sea lions. It's so funny. And also those birds, they are not scared at all, isn't it?
No.
So you have this one, you can walk by him. He's not even interested.
No.
When you go in Switzerland to the pigeons, they are just super scared and just jump and run away immediately if they see you. So funny. So guys, and after all those watching stuff,
Yes.
time for some breakfast. Checking it out.
It
Going
looks
there.
like this.
Ooh. So let's go there and have some delicious breakfast. Ready for your pancakes?
Oh yeah.
Let's show them what I got. Look at this beauty. So, we'll cross this and then we will see if we can still walk. So, see you. So, after our little breakfast situation, we just went home,
And relaxed at the
relaxed at the pool, I had some work done, and now we will go to
Belmont Park.
Belmont Park. So that I have seen that because she said super great and amazing to be there.
Yeah, it's cute.
And from there on we will maybe enjoy a little bit of Taco Tuesday.
Yeah, we walk to Pacific Beach and there you can eat some tacos.
Taco sounds good, isn't it? So we are picking up an Uber, and from there on we will see you guys at the Belmont Park. So
Yes.
let's go? Let's go.
Let's go.
That I'm on a beach that's straight at a city. It looks a little bit unreal for me. So we made it to the Pacific Pier.
Pacific Beach Pier.
I'm sorry. Well, we walked all the way from over there down here to this place. Where we're just watching surfers, and it's super enjoyable. We will chill here for a few more minutes, and after that enjoy some tacos
And
some
cocktails.
Cocktails, of course, cocktails. Yes. Some tacos for the lady.
No
for me.
cocktails, but maybe later. For you?
Thank you.
And for me.
I'm super curious because we just googled best tacos in town and they recommended us those,
Yeah.
and they look pretty good. That looks awesome.
Yes.
So give it a try. So, one bite for me. Oh. This is good. So, that's it for today.
Yes.
Some cocktails,
Yes.
a little bit of sunset, and yeah, we put that camera down so that we can enjoy the cocktails for ourselves. So, see you guys tomorrow. Bye!
Bye bye.